Same is the case with India. It all depends on which gateway you choose to enter India. Because, your experience of India will hinge, will depend, will be predicated on which gateway you choose to enter India through. If you enter India through Hyderabad and Telangana, your experience will be very different than when you enter through, say, Uttar Pradesh. It's a very different experience because we work very differently. Our cultures are very different. Our thinking is very different. Some states are more progressive. Some states are more advanced. Some states are more adept at change. The point I'm trying to make, ladies and gentlemen, I know the story was a little longer than anticipated possibly, but this point I'm trying to make is, please choose your gateway wisely when you're investing in India. Because your experience, your memory or your opinion of India will actually hinge on the gateway you choose to invest through. Having said that, 2 years ago, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji had invited all of us to Delhi to talk about what we need to do to make India truly a first world country over the course of next 25 to 50 years. And from the government of Telangana, from my political party here, I represented the state of Telangana. Now I had only told him 3 things. I said, sir, if we really have to ensure India becomes a first world nation, then we have to buy, subscribe and adhere to the 3I mantra. What are the 3 I's? The first I stands for innovation. The second I is infrastructure. The third I is inclusive growth. These 3 I's together will propel India truly into the orbit of growing nations, into the orbit of the first world countries. Now, before I elaborate further on the 3 I's, let me just quickly give you a snapshot of what my state has achieved over the last 8 years. Telangana is the youngest state in India. For those of you who are unfamiliar as to why this is the youngest state in India, the Constitution of India allows for the formation of new provinces, for the formation of new states, unlike some other countries. So as a result of a protracted struggle for decades, the state of Telangana came into being on the 2nd of June 2014. The capital city is Hyderabad, which is the 5th largest city in India and one of the fastest growing cities in India. If you look at the geographical size of Telangana, we are 12th largest in terms of geographical size among 28 Indian states. But if you look at population, we're 11th largest state in India. So by no means are we a small state. We are a mid-sized state. Now, what has Telangana done in the last 8 years which is remarkable? What makes it special among Indian states? The numbers will speak for themselves. The GSDP of Telangana, the gross state domestic product of Telangana, when the state was formed, was 5,06,000 crores. I don't know in dollar terms. I can't give you an exact number right now, but just to give you a percentage, I can. And about as of March 31st this year, the GSDP of Telangana is 11.55 lakh crores, almost 130% increase. The per capita income of Telangana was 1.24 lakh rupees back in 2014. As of March 31st this year, it is 2.8 lakh rupees. Just to give you a comparison, the average per capita of India as a nation is 1.49 lakh rupees. Telangana is almost double the per capita of India, the rest of national average.